Today was a good day for a lesson. Basically, I did a little bit of what I did yesterday. I missed out on some things, and I didn't see a lot of things that were going my way, but I was still itching to trade. So I held back quite a bit. So that was a major improvement from yesterday. And then I still needed to trade for some reason. It's just like I'm kind of addicted to it, and I don't mind being addicted to it. It's just being addicted to the right aspects of it that are useful. But in this case, I missed a couple big moves. I was messing with the kids, and I was listening to a training call where we're just kind of reviewing the system that I'm trading. And so those aren't bad things. It's just I missed the opportunity because I wasn't 100% focused. So I wanted to get in like a little bit of FOMO, and I got in, I lost, and then I thought, oh. So I scalped my way out of it. And so it's kind of dangerous territory, but in this case it worked out. And I guess money in the bank is money in the bank, but at the same time, if you're not trading a system, the probability is not going to be in your favor. So in that regard, not good. Good that I was able to have a lot more discipline than yesterday, and even though conditions were basically the same, and be able to recover. So yeah, we can just take a look at this for a second. I'm up for the day, $20, so I can buy that piece of cheese I've been saving up for. But basically, this is a real good chart. Gapped up. We had a lot of support right here, which is what I'm looking for. And if I would have placed an order right then, I would have been in pretty good shape because it moved up here. And then this is actually kind of another support level. And depending on how sloppy you want to take this, is actually another support level. But this would have been a big move from here all the way to here. And I watched it the whole time, and I kept waiting for a point where I could get in to where I thought, okay, it's either going to consolidate, or this is going to be a flag, or something's going to happen and I can jump in. But nope, there wasn't a clear entry point. And then by here I was like, oh, it's going to go so high and it's going to reverse. Well, I guess actually I thought it was going to continue back up, so I lost some money. And then I tried another trade where it's going to go south, and then I lost some money there. So, not great. Down $100. So what? So then I took a look at this chart, and I liked how it climbed really high, and then it went back down, and then it went here. And I suppose I just liked that it was going so high, and that it kind of flatlined, and that it was below VWAP. So I felt like the sellers had control. And so I shorted, and I made some money on the same bar, and then I shorted, and then I shorted, and then I let out half here, and I let out half here. Yeah, it did go all the way down here, but I can't beat myself up for that. So basically I was in the hole with the other trade, and then I scalped this one twice and came back up to zero. And then I was real antsy to go in there and get some more. It's so easy, just scalp your way up. But I don't have any training on that. It's just pure reading the tape, and it's just speculation is really what it is. So I don't want to get in the habit of doing that, even though it's thrilling, and that's kind of fun to get the adrenaline rush. You're oh, I gotta get out and in and out, and that's really fun. But I don't want to get addicted to that. I want to get addicted to a proper system where the probabilities are skewed in my favor. So fun day. $20, basically a break-even day, but it's better than a red day, so it's all good.